Good morning, students. Welcome to yet another video of Geography Chapter 1 Resources and Development Part 3. In the previous class, we learned resource planning and land use pattern in India. The subtopics that we cover in today's class are Introduction to Soil as a Resource and the classification of soils. Under classification of soil, we will be learning today alluvial soil and black soil. With no further ado, let's start today's class. Now you can open your geography textbook, page number 8, Soil as a Resource. After land, soil is the important resource. It is also a renewable resource. How do we get soil? Soil is brought down by the running flow of river. Every time when a river flows, it brings large chunks of plain soil. That is why it is called renewable natural resource. Soil consists of mineral matter such as sand and clay and organic matter such as humus, bacteria and earthworms. It is very important for plant growth and it supports different types of living organisms. Soil is formed mainly due to the process of weathering. As a result of weathering, a layer of loose rock materials is formed on the land surface. If this layer remains undistributed for a long period of time, chemical, physical and organic changes takes place in it. These changes lead to formation of soil. Now let's analyze the soil profile which is given in figure 1.6. So let's analyze first the meaning of the term soil profile. A soil profile is a vertical cross section of the soil made of layers running parallel to the surface. These layers are known as soil horizons. The soil is arranged in layers or horizons during its formation. The layers of the soil can easily be identified by the soil color and size of soil particles. The different layers of soil are topsoil, subsoil and parent rock. Each layer of soil has distinct characteristics. It helps us to differentiate the given sample of soil from other soil samples based on the factors like colors, texture, structure and then thickness as well as its chemical composition. Now let's move on to the classification of soil. So first let's start with the first classification, that is alluvial soil. In figure 1.7 you can see the picture of alluvial soil. So alluvial soil is suitable for agriculture and it is a widespread soil which we found in India. Alluvial soil is formed due to the deposition of fine silt called alluvium by the rivers. Alluvial soil is found in the northern plains, Gujarat plains and the coastal plains. It consists of sand, silt and clay. The alluvial soil is deposited by three important Himalayan river systems, the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. The alluvial soil is further classified under two heads, the Bhangar and the Khadar. The Khadar is the new alluvium soil and the Bhangar is the old alluvium soil. Let's analyze the difference between Bhangar and Khadar. So starting from Bhangar soil. According to the age, these soils are called old alluvium soil. These soils have high concentration of Kangar nodules or calcium nodules. These soils are less fertile and grains of these soils are coarse. However, Khadar soils are called new alluvial soils. Grains of these soils are smaller particles and more fine. These soils are more fertile and less concentration of Kangar. Alluvial soil as a whole is fertile and rich in potash, phosphoric acid and lime. As a result, we have good growth of wheat, paddy, pulses, and sugarcane. It is intensely cultivated in India, especially in areas where we have dense population. Because of the higher cultivation in the soil, we seen more people coming on to those areas and settling down in those areas for agricultural purpose and for livelihood. Alluvial soil is mainly seen in the northern plains. It is also found in the eastern coastal plains, especially in the deltas of the Mahanadi, Godavari, and Krishna rivers. And the alluvial soil, it is also known as Dors, Chos, and Tere. Now let's move on to the next type of the soil, that is black soil, and the last subtopic of today's class. Black soil. Black soil is also known as Regur soil. It is commonly seen in the Deccan Plateau region. Black soil is good for cotton cultivation. Black soil is of volcanic origin. It is mainly of basaltic rocks and it is made up of lava flow. Basaltic is an igneous rock. This soil is sticky in nature. It is mainly found in the Deccan Trap region. The main region we can see this soil is the Malwa Plateau region, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Malwa Plateau region, it is in the western and the central part of India, especially in Madhya Pradesh and southeastern parts of Rajasthan. It's a kind of fine clay which can hold moisture. It expands when it has water and it contrasts in dry season. It is very rich in calcium carbonate, potash, magnesium, and lime. However, it is poor in phosphorus. That's all the points about black soil. In the next page, you can see the major soil types in India. You can analyze this map later. So by this we concluded today's class. In the next video we will be continuing with the red and yellow soil, laterite soil, then arid soil, forest soil, and soil conservation. If you have any doubt related to today's class, you can mail to dmcsonlinequeries@gmail.com. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.